I think which is very necessary for the people here to learn is to walk in line and work as a one man. Like you have a group of 10 people and they have to work like a one man. So that is quite challenging, like you maybe saw in the practice, that everybody is going around stuff. You should work in one line, but everybody is doing their individual part, which is not good. So we have to learn that we have to have discipline. And we need discipline here to learn how to work like a one man in a line. That is quite difficult for Icelandic people to do.